In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable DNSSEC in Cloudflare. Now, DNSSEC essentially adds an extra layer of protection, so users know when they're going to your website that it is the legit website and not a website or domain which has been altered by hackers. So to do this on Cloudflare, first you want to go ahead and find your domain that you've got connected. So I'm going to use this one, KnowledgeBase how to. So click inside of your domain, then you need to go to the DNS window on the left. If you click on the downwards arrow, you can then go to settings. Inside of settings, you'll then see DNSSEC. And by default, yours will look like this. You'll be able to go ahead and enable it. So click on enable DNSSEC. You're not finished here though. You do have to add it in your domain registrar. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So head over to the domain registration company that you registered this domain on. So mine is on Cloudflare. So I'm going to click on the domain. That will then take us to the back end. Here we can click on DNS and then DNSSEC. Then we can go ahead and add record. Now what you need to do is paste in these values here into these boxes here. So we've got key tag. So we'll go ahead and find that. 2371. We'll paste that in here. Now we'll find algorithm. So here you can see algorithm is 13. So we'll go and find 13. Digest type. We want to go ahead and copy this value here, as well as we need to note the digest type, which is going to be 2. And then we'll paste in the digest value that we already had copied. Then we'll click on save. Now we've added these records, we can go back to Cloudflare and we can go ahead and confirm this. Now it's going to be pending while they wait for the DNS to be added to the registrar. This takes 10 minutes, but it can take up to an hour. So just be patient with this, refresh the page, and it should then be active and working in about 10 minutes. So there you go, it is now working. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.